Hello everyone, welcome to the Sorcery Talk of our channel. Here I will continue the series of video on this channel that discuss death battles. In the previous video, we discussed tier 2. So in this video, we will continue to tier 1. Apologies if this video took a long time to upload, as I have been quite busy and sometimes the device I use experiences errors. Once again, I really sorry if the editing quality has digressed. Now moving on to the discussion, we will talk about tier 1. So if you haven't watched the previous video, you can check it out first. The link in the description box. So without further ado, let's start the video. Tier 1 Higher Infinity. Now we have entered the second highest level, namely tier 1, as its name, Higher Infinity. This tier is exponentially high, where character or object at this level can influence, create, or destroy an extraordinary cosmological scale. This begins with structure higher than 4-dimensional construct and extends beyond numerical dimensional construct, but uncountable and infinite. At this level, the explanation might get quite long and complex, so prepare a bucket of water just in case your brain overheat. This tier is divided into 8 sub-tiers, which are Low 1C, Low Complex Multiverse level. At this level, character or object can destroy, create, or influence a structure that is uncountably infinite level above the Low 2C structure. In standard distribution, this corresponds to a 5th-dimensional coordinate space. In other words, this tier can be achieved by affecting universe in uncountably infinite numbers, or more especially, as many universes as there are real numbers. If this sounds confusing, let me explain it more simply. At this tier, a character can influence a 4-dimensional structure in infinite quantity, where such structures are equivalent to 5th-dimensional universe. To make it easier to understand, if you watch the previous video, you will know that a higher dimension can be formed by stacking lower dimensions in supermassive quantity, creating another axis and resulting in a higher dimension. For example, a zero-dimensional universe is a point. If the point is expanded, it becomes a line, representing a one-dimensional universe. Similarly, a two-dimensional universe can be imagined as a sheet of paper. If the paper is stacked in supermassive amount, it forms a resembling a box, representing a three-dimensional structure. In conclusion, an n-dimensional structure where excited in infinite quantity will equal an n+1 dimensional structure.
Likewise, in the case at the low 1C level, an infinitely large 4-dimensional structure will be equivalent to a 5-dimensional structure.
However, the use of the word infinite is quite ambiguous because infinite is not a mathematical measurement. Infinite is merely a concept or idea, not a concrete number. That's why the term infinite here is better described as many as real numbers, where real numbers include rational and irrational numbers, which of course incalculable and impossible to quantify. So the main point is character at this level can influence a 5th-dimensional construct or an equivalent structure. Example of character at the low 1C tier include Kratos from God of War, Rimuru Tempest from Tensura, Twice Sparkle from My Little Pony, and the Infinity Gauntlet from the MCU. 1C Complex Multiverse level. Well, like before, this level also adheres to the same principle. At level 1C, character object can destroy, create, or influence a high-dimensional structure. equivalent with 2 until 5 infinite level above the low 2C structure, or similarly a 6-dimensional to 9-dimensional structure.
Shaking underneath, trying to take me alive.
Example of character in this tier are Sonic from Sonic the Hedgehog, Doomguy from Doom, and Omazeo from Kametrizo.
Can't stop me now.
Heikwanzi, High Complex Multiverse Level.
This level also adheres to the same principle as the previous tier, only with larger scope. At level Heikwanzi, character object can destroy, create, or influence a high-dimensional structure, equivalent to 6 until 7 infinite levels above the low and 2C structure, or similarly a 10-dimensional to 11-dimensional structure. Example of character in the Heikwanzi tier are Simon and Antispira from Tengen Toppa Gurren Lagann and Lucifer Morningstar from the Lucifer TV series. 1B Hyperverse level. This level scale has entered a very high dimensional structure where character object in tier 1B can destroy, create, or influence a construction as large as infinite level above the low 2C structure, aka the 12-dimensional structure, up to a high-dimensional structure that is countless regardless of the number of dimensions. Example of character in tier 1B are Wally West from DC Comics, Alien X from Ben 10, and Yukiri Takato from Instant Death.
Can't stop me now.
Height 1B Hyperverse level. Higher than before, at this level character or object can destroy, create, or influence an infinite dimensional structure. It shall be understood that uncountable and infinite have different meaning. Uncountable itself refers to something that has a very large number of value, making it difficult or even impossible to count one by one. But the number still has a limit, so that sometimes it is not impossible to count it. An example of case of uncountable is like the number of stars in the sky or grain of the sand on the beach, while infinite refer to a size or value that really has no end limit at all, making it impossible to count. An example of case of infinite is like the concept of number in mathematics, where the conclusion is if a character can destroy a structure with an uncountable number of dimensions, that it will enter tier 1B. Conversely, if it can destroy a structure with an infinite number of dimensions, that it will enter tier high 1B. And the last point in this level is if a character object can exit the size of structure for this level but not enough to qualify for the low 1A tier, then the character remain at this level but will be given a plus mark on their attack potential, aka high hyperverse level plus. Example of character in the high 1B tier are the Doctor from Doctor Who, Beatrice from Unimeco, and Hela from Marvel Comics. Low 1A Low Hyperverse level. Now we will enter a much higher level. Low 1A is a level for a character or object whose power is equivalent to the Von Neumann universe. This means that they can destroy, create, or affect structures that include the entire collection of dimensional space that exists mathematics and physics. At this point, it is likely that many still don't fully understand the concept of low and high tier. Therefore, I will explain the key point that will hopefully help you better understand the concept applied at this level. The Von Neumann universe is a concept in mathematics first published by Art Zermelo in 1913. It helps us understand the concept of a cumulative hierarchical set. This concept is a formula that may be somehow difficult to explain in full detail, but in essence, the von Neumann universe starts with V0, which contains an empty set. It continues with V1, which contains all the elements of V0, followed by V2, which contains all the elements of V1, and so on with V3, V4, and V5 and beyond. This concept is somehow similar to function composition, where fx circle gx means the variable in fx is represented with all the value of gx. In this sense, fx includes all the value of gx. Similarly, V1 contains all the elements of V0, V2 contains all the elements of V1, and so forth. To help you better understand, imagine V0 as an empty box. This empty box is then placed inside a second empty box, which represents V1. Then V2 is larger empty box that contains a second empty box that contains the first empty box. This process continues with the subsequent box. Before we delve deeper in the higher level, we need to understand the concept of ordinal and cardinal. Ordinal and cardinal are mathematical concepts where ordinal is used the measurement of order or position, while cardinal is used to measurement the size of number of elements in a set. For example, if there is a list of number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the cardinal is 5 because there are 5 elements. While the ordinal represents the position, such as first in the first position and second in the second position. In the von Neumann universe, ordinal is used to determine the order and hierarchical structure of the concept. For example, V0 has an ordinal 0, V1 has ordinal 1, V2 has ordinal 2, and so on. Let's move on to the main topic. The number of hierarchy in the von Neumann universe is infinite, even more than infinite in normal terms. In this concept, there is the smallest infinity, which is symbolized by V omega, where V omega is the combination of all the previous level, namely V0, V1, V2, and V3, and so on, until infinity, which means the ordinal of omega is infinite. However, V omega itself is not the highest point of the von Neumann universe hierarchy, where above V omega there is still V omega plus 1, which is a set containing all the elements of V omega. Then there are V omega plus 2, V omega plus 3, up to V omega plus omega or V2 times omega. Continue again, V3 times omega, V4 times omega, up to V omega times omega or V omega squared. V omega to third power, V omega to the fourth power, up to V omega to the power of omega, and V omega to the power omega to the power of omega, and so on until there is no final limit, which means a hierarchical system on the von Neumann universe reaches countless infinity times even more. Okay, so this is the concept of the von Neumann universe. Essentially, at the lower level, the character cover or equivalent to the size that can be covered by mathematical itself. Character who is simply said to transcend infinite dimension is not enough to reach this level, because to reach this level the character must cover the entire of mathematics itself, or the equivalent of the entire type fourth multiverse. Example of character in the lower tier are the Downstreamer from Manifold, Ammon from Lord of the Mystery, and Alpha Centauri from Self-Reference Engine. 1A Outer First Level. Now we enter Tier 1A. The concept applied at this level is actually not as complicated as it seems. If at the previous level a character object was equivalent to the entire of mathematical structure, then at this level the character object beyond that entire mathematical structure. However, it is important to note that the word beyond here might be quite ambiguous. If not explained further, here I will replace the word beyond with transcendent to make it easier to understand. As is known, to reach tier 1A, a character must transcend from tier low 1A. Simply transcending means that someone successfully jumps from structure A to structure B, where structure A itself could never possibly reach structure B, no matter how many addition, multiplication, or even repeated exponentiation are performed. This concept differs from the previous tier, where in the previous tier, a structure from one tier could be reached by simply adding or multiplying the structure of the previous tier. For example, the structure of tier 4b, which is a solar system, can be reached by multiplying the structure of tier 5b, which is a planet. Likewise, the structure of tier 5b can also be reached by multiplying the structure of tier 6b. If one first structure in tier 2 up to low 1a is broken down, they can still be reduced to the structure of the lower tier. However, if we break down the structure at tier 1a to the smallest possible level, it will never become a lower tier structure. The same applies to the structure of low 1a. Even if multiplied infinity, it will never reach the structure of tier 1a. An example of transcendence itself is the reality fiction concept. Suppose you create a fictional character. The character will live in the fictional world. Will we live in the reality? The fictional world can never reach reality, no matter what, and likewise, reality can never become fiction in any way. However, if that fictional character successfully leaps from the fictional world to the reality world, then this character has successfully transcended. So that is roughly the concept of transcendence in tier 1a. Meaning that the von Neumann universe or the entire of mathematical structure is merely fiction from the perspective of a character in tier 1a. Lastly, characters who transcend from tier 1a but do not meet the criteria to enter High 1a will remain at this level, but their attack potency will be marked with a plus, meaning outer first level plus. Example of character in tier 1a include FA from Yumineko and Amamiya from Persona, Arceus from Pokemon, and Teklos Rank from Marvel Comics. High 1a, High Outer First Level. And finally, the highest tier is High 1a. Just like tier 1a, the explanation for this tier is actually not as difficult as it seems, especially if you truly understand the concept of hierarchy and transcendence from occurs in tier 1a. At this tier, a character object can destroy, create, or influence a structure that transcends the hierarchical algorithm of tier 1a. The transcendent system here follows the same concept as tier 1a, which transcends all levels below it. Let's create a visualization to help you understand the concept of High 1a. Suppose there is a character A who is in tier 1a. This means character A perceives the von Neumann universe structure as fiction. Now, if character B consider character A to be fiction, then character B will be classified as tier 1a+. However, if character C consider character B to be fiction, character C will not reach High 1a, but will still be classified as tier 1a+. The same apply if another character consider character C to be fiction, they will also be in tier 1a+. In this case, the characters are merely perceiving other characters as fiction. meaning they are only positioned at different layers within the reality fiction hierarchical system of Tier 1A. To reach High 1A, a character must transcend the entirety of the reality fiction hierarchical system with Tier 1A. If they only transcend a single reality fiction system, they will remain Tier 1A+. Even if they do this infinitely many times, they will still only remain at Tier 1A+.
In conclusion, a character at High 1A transcends the entire reality fiction hierarchical system of Tier 1A. As a final addition, if there is a character who has even transcended everything mentioned so far, they will only receive a plus sign at the end of their attack potency, meaning High Author Versatile plus. Even when reaching the peak of everything possible with a possible world, they will still remain with this realm. In other words, any measure, value, or world that can be conceived by human reason, thought, and logic as governed by the law of thought will ultimately end at the High 1A+ level. Examples of characters in High 1A include Thor from Marvel Comics, Sai Akuto from Ichiban Ushiro no Daimao, and Lucifer Morningstar from DC Comics. Alright, so that concludes our discussion on Tier 1. It definitely took quite a bit of time, but I hope all the explanation help you understand this tier better. If there anything you are still confused about, feel free to ask in the comment section. I will do my best to answer your question. This is for this video, and as always, since I'm not an expert, if there anything incorrect or inaccurate in the material I presented, feel free to correct me in the comment as well. Thank you for watching and see you next time.